With the rise of new technologies such as blockchain, new platforms are emerging in the realm of social media. Centralized and decentralized social media are two such examples that have gained popularity in recent years. Centralized platforms like Facebook and Twitter have dominated the social media landscape for years. They offer user-friendly interfaces and thus a massive user base. Decentralized social media is built on blockchain technology or open source softwares, which is now gaining traction, more so in countries outside India at present. Examples include platforms like Collective, Steam, and Mastodon, which aim to give users full control over their data. Let's see three key differences between centralized and decentralized social media platforms. Before that, please take a moment to like this video. First, data control and privacy. Centralized platforms collect user data in order to monetize it through advertisers. This includes details like location, interests, likes, dislikes, active timings, etc. Whereas decentralized platforms empower users to own and store data, which is securely stored in a distributed manner that is independently run servers, making it harder for a single entity to have control over it. Now, a related term which we must also understand is Fediverse. It is a term that refers to collection of interconnected servers which enable networking on decentralized media. Point number two, content moderation. Centralized platforms have the authority to moderate and censor the content based on their guidelines and policies. Decentralized platforms often rely on community-based moderation. Decisions about content are made by consensus among the users, promoting a more democratic approach to content management. Number three, network structure. Centralized platforms usually have a large user base and established networks. This can provide users with a broad reach and instant connectivity. Based on their actions, platforms push more and more similar content on an individual's feed. Decentralized platforms might initially have a smaller user base and less visibility. However, they offer a more open and inclusive network where users have more control over content discovery and distribution. Although it will still take time for decentralized social media platforms to gain popularity, we must understand that centralized social media platforms are invading our privacy and selling our personal information for their own benefits. But it has become a necessary evil. We are all addicted to social media so much that even though we know about information leaks, we still continue using these platforms. These platforms are not just selling platforms and services by recording our preferences, but also have the power to influence our thoughts by pushing political agendas. What do you think about it? Please comment below. If you are already using any decentralized social media, do let me know the platform name in the comments. If you find this video useful, please do like and subscribe.